What is the time indicator in Adobe After Effects? Have you ever wondered how to navigate through your animations in Adobe After Effects? The time indicator, also known as the current time indicator, is your best friend in this process. It is a vertical line that appears in the timeline panel, marking the exact frame or time you are currently viewing or editing in your composition. This handy tool allows you to move through your video sequence with ease, making it essential for keyframe animation and motion graphics. When you look at the timeline panel, you will see the time indicator as a vertical line with a handle at the top. This line shows you the current frame being displayed in the composition panel. You can easily move the time indicator by clicking and dragging it along the timeline. For more precise navigation, you can use keyboard shortcuts to jump frame by frame. The position of the time indicator is displayed in timecode or frames, depending on your project settings. This feature is particularly useful when you want to place or edit keyframes. Keyframes are vital in animation as they define property values, such as position, scale, and opacity, at specific moments in time. The time indicator helps you jump to those keyframes, allowing for smooth transitions and animations. There are practical functions related to the time indicator that can make your workflow more efficient. For instance, you can jump between keyframes on a layer using keyboard shortcuts. Pressing the letter J moves the time indicator to the previous keyframe, while pressing the letter K moves it to the next keyframe. If you hold the Shift key while using these shortcuts, you will limit the jump to keyframes on the selected property only. For frame-precise control, you can move the time indicator one frame at a time. On Windows, you can use the page up key to move backward and the page down key to move forward. If you are using a Mac, you can use the Command key along with the left or right arrow keys to achieve the same effect. The time indicator's display format can also be customized. You can choose between timecode, which shows hours, minutes, seconds, and frames, or simply frames, based on your preference and project needs. Additionally, the color of the time indicator can indicate the caching status. A green time indicator means that frames are cached in random access memory for smooth playback, while a blue one indicates that the frames are cached on disk. Mastering the time indicator is vital for an efficient workflow in Adobe After Effects. It allows you to control timing, synchronize effects, and create smooth motion graphics. By accurately positioning keyframes and previewing your animation frame by frame, you can achieve the results you desire. So, the next time you work on a project, remember the importance of the time indicator in your keyframe animation journey.